Today I am going to take 10th standard SST class, that is the geography lesson. So I am going to the third lesson of geography, that is about Indian climate. What do you mean by Indian climate? So what type of climate India has got? India has got the tropical monsoon type of climate. So this is because a greater part of India lies in the tropical zone. I showed you last time the tropical zone, and the climate is greater influenced by the monsoon winds. So again I will repeat, India has tropical monsoon type of climate. So because of this, the part of India lies in the tropical zone, and this climate is greater influenced by the monsoon winds. So in this part you have got the main factors. What are the reasons or what are the factors that influence the climate of India? So what are the different factors? I will tell you one by one. First one is the location. Second is the water body. Third is the relief features. Fourth is the monsoon winds. So the climate of India varies from one region to another region, and it also varies from region to region and from season to season. So I will repeat once again. The main factors which influence on the climate of India are: first is the location, second is the water bodies, third is the relief feature, fourth is the monsoon. So the climate of India varies from region to region and from season to season. So in India, the climate of India, according to the Meteorological Department of India, India is divided into 4 seasons. You all know, children, you all have learned from the first standard. What are the 4 types of seasons? The first one is the winter season, second is summer season, third is rainy season, fourth is retreating monsoon season. So the winter season starts from December to February. The winter season starts from December to February. The summer season starts from March to May. The rainy season starts from June to mid-September, and the last retreating monsoon season from mid-September to November. So I will repeat once again: winter season December to February, summer season March to May, rainy season now June to mid-September, and the retreating monsoon season from mid-September to November. So today I am going to the first part, that is the winter season. I will start everything. First I will start with the winter season. How is the climate in winter season? All fog, very cold, enjoying climate, pleasant, no hot, no heat, yes, all that you will be answering, children. So here in this winter season, during this season, the rays of the sun falls vertically over the southern hemisphere. So it falls vertically it falls on the southern hemisphere, and so India gets the oblique rays of sun. So hence the temperature and humidity are low and sky is clear. Okay, so it is cool in the north and warm in the south. So January is called as the coldest month. The hilly area of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, so Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, the mountainous region, so they record the lowest temperature, that is -60 degrees centigrade, and you can see a lot of dew and fog are common in this period or in this time. So there is heavy snowfall in the mountain area. So in the winter season you can see all the mountainous region, especially the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and all, they all will be covered with snow. So India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall during winter. So next, so I will repeat once again about the winter season. So during the month, the rays of the sun falls vertically over the southern hemisphere. Second point, it gets oblique rays of the sun. Hence the temperature and humidity are low and the sky is fully clear. So third point, it is cool in the north and warm in the south. In the northern part it is cool, and in the southern part it is warm. And which is the coldest month? January is called as the coldest month. And here the hilly areas. What are the hilly areas? The mountain that is the Kashmir, the Himachal Pradesh, these all record the lowest temperature. Lowest temperature means minus 60 degrees centigrade. And in this season you find the dew and the fog. Dew, fog, early morning when you come out you can't see the roads, you see blurred because of the fog. So you see the lot of dew and the dew drops you can see on the leaves. Yes. So you can see the dew and the fog. This is common in this winter season. So there is heavy snowfall in the mountain areas, and India gets how much rainfall? India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall during winter. So this is about the winter season. Second I am going to go is about the summer season. Okay, what do you understand? If I ask you what is summer season, you will say it's very hot, you feel uneasy, you sweat a lot, you perspire a lot, you require a lot of water to drink. So these are the common questions you give when the summer season comes. You like to drink take lot of intake of liquid items than the solid items. Yes, this season is such that it is very hot in this season. But now the seasons are changed. It is not the same as it was earlier. So now about the summer season, what you all know children. So what happens during this season? During this season, the sun's rays also falls vertically over which? Northern hemisphere. In the winter season, the sun's rays falls vertically on the southern hemisphere. See the difference children. In summer season, the sun's rays falls vertically on the northern hemisphere. So keep these differences in mind. Winter season, southern hemisphere. In the summer season, it is northern hemisphere. So the sun's rays falls vertically on the northern hemisphere, and hence the temperature is very high in India. The temperature is too high. Okay, so see the differences how it is for summer and the winter. So here, hence the temperature it is high, it is hot, dry and sultry. So how is the temperature here? How is the climate here? It is very hot, it is very dry and it is a sultry climate. So the highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius. 49.4 degrees centigrade. Okay, so this is the temperature recorded at the Ganga Nagar in Rajasthan. So where it is? It is in Ganga Nagar in Rajasthan. The temperature is very high. Ganga Nagar in Rajasthan. Keep this in mind children. So the conventional rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. Conventional rain means sometimes it rains, means rain comes not in the proper time, conventional. Some occasionally time it comes in different region at different time. So they are given different names in different states children. See, this is very interesting for you. So it is known as Andhi in Uttar Pradesh. It's very easy to remember Andhi. Andhi means what? You know Andhi, Tufan and all, Hindi word. So it is known as Andhi in Uttar Pradesh. It is called as Kala Baisakhi in the West Bengal. Kala Baisakhi in the West Bengal. It is called as mango showers in Kerala, as it helps the mango crop, and it is called as coffee blossom in Karnataka, as it is beneficial for the coffee crop. So I will repeat once again. It is known as Andhis in Uttar Pradesh. So conventional children, the conventional rain. So first one is called as, it is called as Andhi in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal. So the second one is Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal. Third is called as mango during this season. So India receives only 10% of rainfall. Keep it in mind, children. So I will repeat once again about the which season? About the summer season. I will repeat once again. Summer season, during this season what happens? The sun's rays falls vertically over the northern hemisphere. So hence the temperature is high in India. It is very hot, dry and sultry. So the highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degree Celsius in Ganganagar in Rajasthan. 49.4 degree Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. And later on we have got about the conventional rains. So there are the different types of conventional rains occur locally in some parts of the country. So it is known as Andhi in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal, mango showers in Kerala as it helps to grow more and more of mango crops. Coffee blossom, it is in Karnataka as it is beneficial to the coffee crop. And so India receives how much rainfall? Annual rainfall during this season? Only 10% of rainfall. So this is about the summer season.